失礼します。
Ye, Pravin. Nasa bamboo forest pa rin tayo. So we finally found a tofu ice cream. Let's try before it melts. Okay.
Nagbabaw din. Aray, shit.
Sayonara, goodbye. Sayonara. We'll meet you guys again. Ayun, join us for another day here in Osaka. This is Kyoto Nara Day Tour. Maulan at saka I think 3 degrees yung weather right now sa Kyoto and it feels like 0 degrees. Funny story, nagmamadali naman kami papunta dito because we cannot find it's actually very near from Smile Hotel, the hotel that we're staying in. It's like 6 minutes, one station far lang siya. Medyo nahirapan lang kami mag-navigate sa station dito sa Osaka compared to Tokyo, which is for me personally mas madali yung pag-navigate ng station sa Tokyo kasi sa Osaka. Pero yun, nahirapan kami maghanap ng exit, but eventually we made it here like after 30 minutes. Sobrang konti lang namin sa bus. Konti lang yung nasa tour ngayon. This is the English tour.
Here's the brochure of the restaurant.
Wow, nice. Thank you. We have our guide map. For any discounts, as usual, use my Klook promo code MJSKlook for a discount on any of your Klook bookings. Example, ito, Kyoto. So Kyoto weather now is 2 degrees, feels like 0 degrees, and merong snowing, possible snowing. Guys, we now arrived here in Kyoto. So actually for this tour pala, merong dalawang pick up, Tokyo and Kyoto. I thought na naiwan yung iba kasi 9 lang kami kanina sa bus, but yung majority pala is pick up from Kyoto. So ayun, marami na kami ngayon. I think we're complete. So our first destination or itinerary or attraction is Golden Pavilion, yung parang Golden Temple dito. So we're now going there. The spring right now is too cold. Supposedly this is a season na mag-start na yung spring. So since the spring is too cold, late yung mga sakura magbo-bloom, which is why as per forecast sa Klook, mga April, May. But yung plum variety ng cherry blossom, not yung sakura. Yung plum, nagsa-start na sila mag-bloom, which is I believe same sa Osaka Castle na mga cherry blossoms. Ayun guys, so we're inside. By the way guys, if ganitong season kayo pumunta, magdala kayo nung parang lip balm. I'm using the Nivea one. Sobrang helpful niya para hindi mag-crack yung lips niya. Ayan, actually nakikita ko na yung Golden Pavilion from here. Tingnan guys, ang ganda niya, like it's parang may brown, orange yung kulay ng grass. Di ako sure kung ano yan, pero para siyang mga small na succulents. Ayan siya. I think maganda dito pag spring or autumn. I mean spring na ngayon pero later month or later days ng spring. Pavilion sa malapitan. Kahit hindi siya nagsusnow, sobrang lamig ng hangin. Dapat na gano'n talaga nag-gloves. Guys, we're here in Arashiyama. So this is a big place. We're also going to have our lunch here, and then in case you're curious, there are convenience store here with ATM machine, so pwede kang mag-withdraw here in case you need more cash. Ito din yung pinaka-popular na skewer dito guys, yung Yuba and cheese. Number 1 for 500 yen per stick. the bamboo forest. And then after that, bahala na kami mag-ikot-ikot. So siguro we'll go around, and then after going around, mag-lunch kami near sa parking para diretso sa bus after. Andito din yung sikat na mga rickshaw experience, yung sasakay ka tapos tao yung nagbubuhat. And then meron din boating experience, pwede din kayong mag-cycling. Yung rickshaw, as per our tour guide, is 10,000 yen. So kung dalawa kayo maghati doon, so tig 500 yen kayo. And then I think yung boat at bicycle, yung boat is 1,500 yen per person. Pero yung bicycle, naalala mo yung magkano yung bicycle? Ay, gulo. Nakalimutan ko, guys. I'm not sure about the same price lang din ng boat. So yun, we're now here at the bamboo forest. Ang daming tourist ngayon. After the tour guide led us to the entrance, so free time na kami, so kami nang bahala saan kami mag-ikot-ikot and saan kami kakain. So yan. Ayun guys, so dito kayo pwede mag-rent ng rickshaw. Ayan, so kung gusto kayo mag-ikot dito sa bamboo forest, tapos ayaw nyo maglakad, rickshaw lang din, yan sila. Diyan kayo mag-rent.
Konnichiwa, 失礼します。
Yi, parapin. Ayan guys, so nasa bamboo forest. Sorry, nanigas yung lips ko. Nasa bamboo forest pa rin tayo. It's just that medyo malayo-layo na to sa entrance. I mean, not too far from the entrance, pero lakad na tayo palayo-layo sa entrance. Sabi kasi ng tour guide, the deeper you go, the more beautiful the bamboo forest is. Nakalabas na kami sa bamboo forest. Funny story, naiwan namin yung payong doon kasi kaka-picture. Nung palabas na kami kanina dito, doon pa namin naalala, pero andun pa naman yung payong. So we're going to try food here. Especially our tour guide recommended the tofu ice cream. So I want to try that. But look at this. Pinipilahan siya. So I guess we should also try it. Let's go. Wow, ang sarap guys. Ang daming skewers. Guys, our first snack here. I have no idea what this is, pero pinipilahan siya. So let's go ahead and try. This is matcha flavor. It's very chewy. I think this is like para siyang sticky, para siyang mochi. Yun pala, yun yung best. Mochi siya, coated in a syrup, matcha syrup. Walang laman yung mochi. Yung flavor niya, yung syrup mismo. We're going to try the tofu ice cream.
Excuse me, do you have coin? Do you have 100 yen coin?
So we finally found the tofu ice cream. Let's try before it melts. It's like, it's very, of course, tofu nga siya. Para siyang soy milk na ginawang ice cream instead of dairy. Yun. Sarap siya. Kahit malamig, I like the flavor. I like soy milk din kasi. Hey, let me eat. Mura sa soy milk, nag-ihimo nga. Soy milk, maginawang ice cream. Next na try guys is etong chicken kasi wala pa kaming lunch. So, a stick of chicken lang. So, etong chicken guys, and tikman ko na. Okay lang naman siya. Hindi siya yung chicken na wow factor. Pero masarap siya. Ayun guys, andito na tayo sa bridge. Sabi, ito ay 1,000 years old na daw na bridge. Sabi ng tour guide. If I'm referring to the correct bridge ha, baka may iba pang bridge. Nakikita ko dyan guys, I feel like sakura yan, like mga cherry blossom trees. Ang ganda siguro pag nagbo-bloom siya, pero I'm not sure lang ha. Pero the way it looks kasi, para siyang very light pink, yung ganon, if nakikita nyo. And cheese, yung number 1 skewer dito sa Kyoto. So ayan, I'm waiting na lang to get my order. So I got yuba and cheese, at the same time yung red hot spicy and cuttlefish and leek. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Arigato. Guys, we're back inside the bus on time. Let's go ahead and try this one first. I think this is the cuttlefish. Next is, ito yung number 1 skewers daw, yuba and cheese. Tikman na natin. Parang siyang cheese tofu. I like cheese tofu guys. So guys, nasa Nara na tayo. Yung Nara, dito yung mga sikat na videos na merong wild deers and then you can feed the deers. So ibang area to sa Kyoto. So the tour covers Kyoto and Nara. Ayan na sila guys, yung mga deer. Ang cute nila. Meron din doon, no? Ang cute nila guys kasi nagbabaw sila. But nasanay na yan sila kaya sila nagbabaw. Kasi parang magbabaw din sila tapos they're waiting for food. Kasi you can also feed them, but not any food. I think you can get food from here, like yung cookie. Ayun guys, so merong caution dito, parang warning. Beware of male deer kasi aggressive yung male deer, so they can bite, kick, or butt, or knock you down. So beware of male deer kasi at the end of the day, they're still wild animals. They're not really domesticated or anyone's pet. So they are free to roam around the area. So tayo yung visitor at this time. Actually, random lang talaga nag-iikot-ikot yung mga deers dito. So far, wala naman tayong na-meet na aggressive one. Andyan sa likod natin, dyan, sa loob dyan, yan yung temple. Pwede kayong pumasok dyan. Hindi yun siya kasama sa tour, but you can pay 800 yen for the admission fee. At saka merong lake dito sa kabila. Ayan, ayan yung mga deer. Nag-aantayan sila na meron kang ibigay na, na cookie. Hello. We'll get you a cookie later. Hello. Hello. Eto siya, nakaka-smell na siya ng cookie kasi Ariel, bumili siya ng cookie. I don't have the cookie. I don't have the cookie. Yo! I don't have the cookie. Okay. Nagbabaw din. Aray, shit. Sorry. Nangagat siya ng damit, guys. Ang ganda dito sa Nara Park. Like, ang dami naming magagandang shoot. Or shots. Sorry. Ang dami naming magagandang shots. Ang ganda rin kasi ng view. Meron na ding mga cherry blossoms na nag-start na mag-bloom. Masakit na yung kamay ko and medyo nahirapan akong mag-gaganon-ganon sa screen kasi medyo tumitigas siya. Maybe we're heading back to our bus. Although we still have like ample of time to go around. Pero malamig na kasi and I think we had enough of going around. But sobrang ganda ng Nara Park, guys. I can imagine if maraming mga cherry blossoms din na nagbo-bloom dito. So siguro mas gumaganda siya. But ang friendly na mga deer so far. Walang aggressive ones ako nakikita. And then they're so fun to be with. Like, they're picking each other kasi nag-agawan din sila sa food. Pero not in a way na aggressive. Ang cute lang nila. Goodbye! Bye-bye! Sayonara is sayonara goodbye for Japanese. Sayonara! Till we meet you guys again. Yung cookie na nabibili dito that you want, if you want to feed them, is nasa 250 yen? 200 yen or 250 yen? And then that's 10 pieces na. 10 pieces nung cookie. Gustong gusto nila yon. Ewan ko guys, parang ako na-attach sa kanila guys. parang na-attach na ako sa kanila. Parang gusto ko silang samahan. Ganon. Baka maging deer tayo dito. Ang amo ng mukha nila yun, no? Ang cute. Pati yung pigeon nakikikain din dito guys. Oh. Ang cute. Friends sila ng pigeon. Nakikikain. Dito, malapit sa parking, maraming mga souvenirs din na nabibilhan. Ang daming options talaga na nabibilhan. Kaso hindi pa kami mamimili kasi we're going back to Tokyo and we don't want to bring a lot of stuff in addition to what we have already na ang dami na. Ang dami naming mabigat yung luggage kasi we have to bring like mga ganitong jacket. And then, doon na kami sa Tokyo mamimili siguro. Alright guys, we're now on our last stop for this tour before we head back to Osaka. So this is what was that yet? Fuminayari?
Fukushima Inari.
Fukushima Inari?
Inari.
Fukushima Inari. So that's, I'm sure you know that guys because of the Torii gates. Gutom na ako kasi super bango ng area. We haven't had a really good and big meal. Yun lang kanina, yung mga stick and parang snack bites. So yun lang, so which is why sobrang nagutom na ako. Especially sobrang bango ng place dito kasi ang daming food. Maraming restaurants dito sa area, tsaka marami ding places to buy pasalubong and souvenirs. We'll go through there until dun sa pinaka-popular spots kung saan nagpipicture yung smaller torii gates. Ayan. Ayan. So ayan guys, buti lang may map. So we're going dun sa site of Shinto rituals at saka yung Senbon Torii, which is 1,000 torii gates. Ayun, so nasa likod lang ng temple mismo, a shrine. Okay, let's go. Going here to visit the 1,000 torii gates. Oh, so there are characters, Mandayi. Ah, here are the smaller torii gates, guys. So, eto yung smaller ones, guys. Wow. So, I'm not sure kung ano yung mga words na kasabi dyan sa gilid. If you're staying here like for a while, maybe spend time a day in each area kasi I think masaya siya yung parang slow day lang. Pero pag limited time lang kayo, maybe focus on one area or do this tour. Maraming tour available sa Klook and our code works in any tours na i-book nyo to get a discount. So kakain muna kami sa binili namin ng food na sa Lawson's and then babalik na tayo sa Tokyo mamaya.